A tornado potato. These things are awesome. A couple of tricks to get it look like this. I use a paring knife, and you want to roll it around the potato, and don't overlap the cuts because you want a spiral effect. All right, and you want to leave the end intact, and then carefully just pull those spiral shapes down the skewer. And boom, just like that, potato tornado. These potatoes need a seasoning mix, and mine is really simple. It starts with some sweet paprika. Don't be shy with the paprika, it's a great base. And potatoes love onions and garlic. And for a little bit of heat, not too much, you just want to feel it on the back of your tongue, 1 shot of cayenne. Okay, I'm feeling spicy. Maybe another shot. And that's it. That's a perfect seasoning blend for the potatoes. So you want the seasoning mix to stick to the potato. So a little shot of oil and they'll be ready to go. Look at that potato tornado. Now, if you didn't think that that was gonna be tasty enough, I'm gonna make a few garnishes to go with these spuds. The first one has a bit of punch to it. Think of the food processor as a boxing ring. So chipotle. This is smoked jalapeno and adobo sauce. It's super flavorful, but it's spicy. It's the reigning champ. It holds the belt. Next into the ring is lime juice. Lime is the #1 contender. Cilantro's the referee. He's gonna make sure that they have a nice fight. And ding, ding, salt. Think of that as the ring bell. Put the garlic in there and a little bit of sweetness, honey. That's it, super simple, totally delicious. Let her go. It's a super fast sauce. It's totally balanced. It's vibrant in color. Woo! It's spicy, but the lime and the honey calm everything down, and it's delicious. So with the other garnish, I'm gonna go lighter. A mix of cheese and herbs like thyme, oregano, rosemary, and the perfect cheese for that is Parmesan cheese. It's got a nice bite to it. It goes with all the herbs and goes with the spuds. All right, hit the herbs. And last but not least, a nice grating of garlic. 2 beautiful accompaniments for potato tornadoes. Those look great. I can't wait to barbecue these crazy potatoes. They're gonna be good. Really easy to cook these potatoes. I have the barbecue on indirect. This half of the barbecue is off, this half is on. Ooh, nice and hot. And let the barbecue work like an oven. It does take a little bit of time to get the potatoes in there, let them soften up, let all the spices soak into it, and I'll be back to give it a butter brush. Good luck. I can smell spices. Yeah! The charring is essential. You get so much more flavor on it. It crisps up the potato skin. Those are ready to be topped. My favorite part. They look awesome, and I'm in a sports car kind of a mood, so I'm going for spicy. This is great. They just pull right off, and you don't need to put that in 5th to make it disappear. Yeah! That is one tasty boxing match. There's a lot going on, but the chipotle's mellowed out with the lime and the honey, and the potato with the spice mix on it, it hits you right in the back of the throat. Man, that's good. I know loaded potato is gonna be pretty good. I'm gonna go for the cheesy madness. It's got a char, some spices, a nice sharp bite in the Parmesan cheese, plus the woody herbs. I mean, it's delicious. I don't know which one I like more, but I do know one thing, they're both insane.